Civic media means to me access, equity, and feedback.
I would suggest that civic media is about community, democracy, and information.
To me, participation, engagement, stimulation.
Civic media to me is improving the world.
There are different scholars that are looking at different definitions, trying to make it as broad as possible. That civic media is creating something, designing something that is making some kind of a change to the community that the person is working with.
It creates an additive impact to the people that are involved with it and connect with it. It's also an additive impact for the people that make the work. They feel more invested in their community as well.
Civic media is taking civic knowledge and combining it with technology and design to tackle real-world problems, to put all of that knowledge into applied action. So you might tap into your disciplinary knowledge about coding or journalism, education, how neighborhoods receive information, and kind of combine all of those different kinds of levels of civic knowledge and work together as a team to take that on for the public good.
Chicago is a fantastic media ecosystem for really engaging in civic media in a truly informed and ongoing way.
Media is all around us, it's ubiquitous. So often it's kind of used to manipulate. We need a civic process that is inclusive and equitable. I think we all, in our own idealistic sense, like to think that we're making the world better for those that come after us. Through civic media, you actually have that potential.